Hi future lawyers, I'm Deepa from Indic Law. In the last video, Arjun spoke about how he began his journey in law. Like most of the law aspirants, I was also confused about the entrance exams I had to apply for. So here I am to introduce you to the most attractive law entrance exams across the country. So first of all, one of the most important law entrance exam in India is called Common Law Admission Test or CLAT for UG programs. Common Law Admission Test or CLAT is a centralized national level entrance test for admissions to 22 national law universities in India. CLAT is an all India entrance examination conducted by a consortium of national law universities for admissions to their undergraduate programs. Some of the NLUs that consider CLAT scores for admissions are NALSAR Hyderabad, NLSIU Bangalore, NUJS in West Bengal, JNLU Gandhinagar, etc. The areas covered in CLAT are English including comprehension, current affairs including general knowledge, quantitative techniques, legal reasoning and logical reasoning. The 2 hours test consists of 150 questions of 1 mark each. There is a negative score of 0.25 for each wrong answer as well. The educational qualifications required for appearing in CLAT are a minimum of 45% marks in class 12 for all the candidates from general, OBC, person with disability, NRI, person of Indian origin and overseas citizen of Indian category. Candidates from scheduled caste or scheduled tribe category must clear class 12 with a minimum of 40% marks. Students awaiting their class 12 results can also appear for CLAT. However, it is mandatory for them to produce proof of passing class 12 at the time of admission. The admission of any candidate who failed to produce the evidence of passing shall be forfeited. So the next law entrance exam that you could apply for is All India Law Entrance Test or AILET. AILET is conducted by the National Law University Delhi or NLUD. AILET is an exam conducted exclusively for NLU Delhi's BA LLB programs. The subjects covered in AILET are English, general knowledge and current affairs, legal aptitude, reasoning and mathematics. The 90-minute test consists of 150 questions of 1 mark each. The educational qualifications to appear for AILET are a candidate who has cleared SSC or HSC examination or any equivalent with at least 50%. Law School Admission Test or LSAT. Law School Admission Test is conducted by the Law School Admission Council. LSAT scores are accepted by more than 85 law colleges in India. LSAT scores are accepted by top institutes like Galgosia University Law School, the Jindal Global Law School, UPES Dehradun, SRM University, Amity Law School and many more. Let's see what the subjects covered in LSAT are. Analytical reasoning, logical reasoning, reading comprehension and variable section. The 2 hours 20 minutes test has 150 questions consisting of 150 marks. The educational qualifications required for LSAT include a minimum of 45% in class 12 for candidates belonging to unreserved, OBC, specially abled persons categories. A minimum of 40% in class 12 for candidates belonging to SC/ST category. Students awaiting their class 12 results can also appear for the LSAT. Christ University Law Entrance Examination or CULEE. Christ University conducts this examination for the admissions to their 5-year undergraduate programs. The examination consists of 120 questions including subjects like English, general knowledge, reasoning, elementary mathematics and legal reasoning. The candidates appearing for CULEE must have passed the 12th examination of any board in any stream from a recognized institute. Symbiosis Law Entrance Test. SLAT is conducted by Symbiosis International Deemed University, Pune. Symbiosis offers both 5-year integrated LLB and 3-year law courses. Symbiosis law schools are situated in Pune, Noida, Hyderabad and Nagpur. The subjects covered in SLAT are general knowledge and current affairs, legal reasoning, logical reasoning and reading comprehension. The 90 minutes test consists of 150 questions of 1 mark each. The educational qualifications to appear for SLAT are a minimum score of 45% for the general category and 40% for the SC or ST category. The next exam is Delhi University Law Entrance Test. Delhi University Law Entrance Test is conducted for admissions to various law programs run by the Faculty of Law Department of Delhi University for admissions to their 3-year LLB programs. Delhi University Campus Law Centre, Law Centre 1 and Law Centre 2 accept the score obtained in this test. The subjects covered in this test are English including comprehension, analytical ability, legal awareness and aptitude and general knowledge. The 2 hours test has 100 questions consisting of 400 marks. The educational prerequisites to appear for DU LLB include a graduation or post-graduation from Delhi University or any other recognized Indian or foreign university with at least 50% aggregate marks. If you are from the OBC category, the candidates should hold graduation or post-graduation from a recognized university with at least 45% aggregate marks. If you are from SC/ST category, the candidates should hold graduation or post-graduation from a recognized university with at least 40% aggregate marks. Moving on, the next exam that you can apply for is the Aligarh Muslim University exam. The entrance test is a university level exam conducted by Aligarh Muslim University that selects students for their BA LLB programs. The question paper of the AMU entrance comprises short answer type questions. The exam syllabus focuses on proficiency in English, general knowledge, current affairs, aptitude and reasoning. The applicant should have qualified 12th or equivalent with not less than 50% marks in aggregate. The maximum age limit for BA LLB at AMU is 22. The next exam that you can apply for is the Maharashtra Common Entrance Test or MHCET. MHCET is jointly conducted by Directorate of Higher Education Maharashtra and the Common Entrance Test Cell Maharashtra. 120 law colleges in Maharashtra including Indian Law School Pune, Government Law College Mumbai accept the scores from MHCET. And I would say GLC Mumbai is a really good option for law. Like most of the law entrances, the subjects covered are English, logical and analytical reasoning, general knowledge including current affairs, mathematical aptitude and legal aptitude. The 2 hours test consists of 150 questions of 1 mark each. Let's see who's eligible to apply for MHCET. You must be qualified for higher education from any recognized institution under the central or state board. He or she must have secured 45% marks in aggregate in the qualifying exam. Candidates from SC or ST category have a relaxation in aggregate score and the minimum marks needed is 40%. Are you planning to choose law as a career after 12th? Well, we've got your back. To know more about the legal world, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have loads of interesting videos on your way. Let's march to law school this year with the Indic Law family.